Finished in Tudor Grey, with original tan hide interior and Black Boyriven fabric roof, this delightful DB6 Volante was built with the standard engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and optionally equipped with power steering, chrome wire wheels and 3-eared spinners. Supplied through agents Eton Motor Group, previous owners have included Gordon Chapman of ERA note and Kent-based former DB4GT Zagato owner Tom Turk. Chassis DBVC 3713R was built and delivered in February 1969, finished in burnt almond with tan interior. Last changing hands in 2002, the chassis, body, paint and original engine were subsequently restored by concours-winning Aston Martin restoration specialists Spray-Tec Restorations Limited and Bodylines Limited, simultaneously changing the colour to its current and somewhat more elegant Tudor Grey. The original, lightly patinated tan interior, purposely retained, displays a touch of original character, often missing in restored cars. One of just 140 examples built, this charming and highly usable DB6 Volante has since completion from restoration covered some 11,000 miles on continental tours and occasional weekend outings, whilst, when not in use, it's been professionally stored in a climate-controlled environment. After 20 years of ownership, this superbly finished Tudor Grey Volante is something of a testament to the quality of workmanship employed in the restoration and care thereafter. A very usable and highly competent DB6 Volante, this car has over the 20 years of single ownership and enjoyable miles covered, been maintained by Aston Martin specialists, and can be said to carry all the hallmarks of a well-maintained and cherished car. The extensive history file accompanying the car contains a factory build data sheet, British Motor Industry Heritage Trust certificate, period photographs of the car before and during its restoration, as well as all invoices for the restoration and regular maintenance works thereafter. Ready to be enjoyed this coming season, the car is supplied inclusive of a scheduled maintenance service and detailed preparation, all carried out in our own workshops. A 12-month warranty and roadside assistance package is also included. Available now for viewing and demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.